What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to talk about a new series that I'm starting called Sidepreneur, which is basically a person who's still on a full-time job, and they're trying to find new ways to make income. They're basically an entrepreneur on the inside and trying to bring it out. So I'm going to be doing a multi-video series for this for Sidepreneur. The first one today is going to be really the first step you really got to take if you want to start making more income while still being in your 9-to-5 job, and that's creating a new stream of income. And if you want to learn more about that, my man Grant Cardone is perfect for that. He talks about this is one of the things he really emphasizes, having multiple streams of income. And this is one thing that he really emphasizes, which is having a new stream of income within your current job. And that's what I did in my job, working in civil engineering. And opportunity presented itself, and I got into the drone industry because of that. And that allowed me to make another side income within my current job, just by going out and doing some drone jobs for my engineering company. So I'm going to hop into the computer and show you guys a simple 3-step process you can follow that that will basically lead you to having that side income within your current job. So let me get into my computer. This simple 3-step process to finding a new stream of income within your current job. So first, you're going to want to identify any problems or things that are very difficult or annoying for your company. And you're going to want to be able to find a solution to that problem. So it's basically finding the gap basically in your company's service and finding how you can improve on that. And in that improvement is where you can gain an extra income. For me, it was an engineering company who wanted to take more aerial pictures of projects, but helicopters with a cameraman and a helicopter pilot was way too expensive. It cost thousands and thousands of dollars. So the opportunity presented itself where the owner of the company asked me to do some research on drones. So I ended up doing it, and then obviously a drone is a lot cheaper than a helicopter. So that's a solution that could save money. So that's what you're going to be looking for. You're going to be looking for a solution that saves. Now the second step with this is becoming an expert in whatever that is. Whatever that solution is, you have to become an expert in that. So you go out there, best place to start is YouTube and Google. Whatever it is, start researching, start learning what other people are doing and seeing how you can implement that into your company's workflow. So for me, it was drones. I learned everything I could about drones. I ended up starting my own drone company, called L2 Drones, and it branched off like that. But I became an expert on this by researching a lot on Google. I mean, I spent weeks just learning. I had no idea about anything related to doing anything to drones. I didn't know a single thing, but I spent weeks and weeks researching day in, day out about the industry. What the hell, what was the best brand, who were the players in the market, who would be my competitors in South Florida. I learned everything, and then that leads to the next step is implementation. So yeah, you can learn all this new stuff about the solution you're going to provide, but nothing's going to happen if you don't implement it. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go within your job. You're going to have to be proactive about it. You're going to have to push your knowledge on this new technology or solution to your boss or whoever is the one in charge. You're going to have to show him the value in what you've learned and how it will benefit the company. So basically implementation, set up meetings with your boss, and I hate using the word boss, but and show them the massive value that the company will receive in saved time or money. And that's pretty much it. Once you have that, you may be able to, you implement it within your company, and then you may be able to do it for other companies on the side as well. And that's how I started my drone company. So I hope this helps you out, and if you really like this video and found value in it, please subscribe. I'm putting out a lot of new content just like this, and I'm going to have a few more videos in this series of Sidepreneur to help you guys who are still in the 9 to 5, get started and make more income on the side. So I'll talk to you guys soon.